enche bia me video bi fa website bi a okọ ha prediction kwakọ request prediction na AI ne generative prediction dem but the success ratio near there e was so as compared to other websites na kwakọ prediction wo ho no na website normal the great features bi wo a ebebo ama o like o advice na obenya free o prediction bi abenya no advice na abenya no ebebo ama watimi awe ne bet no o bet no o winning success ratio be there I be question. And then you say back on me says I request I request say prediction I request no a free every day be I will be free tokens. I'll be team that requested predictions. Nti ensem when my phone come phone no name be our website we. See our website number be no of me what 10 tokens I meet him that request. Open source request match be met 2 tokens. Nti say see and the man say my login in dada. Nti me login in me call dashboard. This is new features ah. Omo add the account over dashboard higher. Obo say normal be aye then access our hackers your tokens daily free tokens we who this week's prediction na be who today's prediction nti and then na me person me na Sunday nti and then na me person me who na prediction no ma bossy predictions nti obossy prediction na the net predictions ni na ye dey be ma CSK Moscow nti me person me add the fanka slip no cause anytime bia na be bossy predictions na e be se be long nti wo slips no teams do do person won twa no the person the Moscow comedy no nti the Moscow nti added to slip okay nti me ba se if you say menya EPL matches ni bia I mean common na me say menya EPL anana EPL ne ho nti Leon match we the back count add slip me per matches the fan said 5 per nti ma add 5 matches na we na me person me nko prediction na ye first row na me person me nko me slips na ye first row ba bia profile no wo no no about profile no so say so predictions ni nyina na yede abawa hase nti 1 2 3 4 5 25 ni nyina na bisi 10 tokens e no mo de abawa hase no nti mebo request prediction nti be request predictions na matches na slips na me de aka ho ni be request ni na nti mebo request okay nti mebo me go predictions nti me predictions a me prediction na me request ye ni nyina beba Leon be win 1-0 so you nipa bi a person win bet na dia sa correct score we no and time find success ratio be 30% 20% nti obebo prediction details nti Leon match aka say Leon be win no nti mebo see prediction details nti ye hwa website na aka sama wa advice ye hwa sure say advice or them say Leon or say home win or draw Leon outcome no or say even though say we predict say Leon be win no but or the advice am say home no win or draw or say win or draw for Leon and all the advice be ma ba say over 1.5 and I say over 1.5 Leon be win Leon win or draw and I say over 1.5 advice or the money but over chance here chances no say win 90% na win or draw 99% probability say win or draw be fa no high but say enti yes I call Basel na entimi request enti you fail enti yes I call request BM to CSK Moscow na my boss to say enti me boss see prediction details I say advice win or draw for Moscow na we no so I say over 3.5 what I say over and advice BM I say over 3.5 to say over 3.5 enti you call higher I say win or draw no yeah and win 83% for CSK and I lose 16% and I win or draw 99% higher chances say ball no CSK beat me I win or draw nti mebra Nottingham Forest so ina yehu hawa we ne tie no nti advice na eso peke correct score no dey e bia wonye ska bia utimi so ska we do mudi kra enyame like enye problem bia no now bia wa show correct score no watch but anything me am sure say some fan focus no kwa ha and I win so I say Aston Villa win or draw for Aston Villa be win or draw and now correct score near under 1.5 until we video now we on Sunday na nkasa once Aston Villa in the requested ya ma wa wi me sure so be use token as akwa requested the request ni bia no betin use anu abe free at the amount but because already no one here e wo ma wi into akwa requested other matches no but say ade ba akwa sign website no say so refer man for ma mo ba ha na omo use link no metro ba bia obe copy link no mo use link no mo sign up o memo free tokens what I say omo sign up no mo token just na omo tokens ni bi ma o memo free tokens the kwanya be fa so copy link no ba menu ha no wa down no wa settings I will copy referral link no so copy more down for na obe yiso link na de sign up obe token na mema o mecho free tokens so already fe nipa do na ma mo aba ho no na person will redeem rewards na last one or rewards no about rewards no about redeem rewards nti bo se referral no bo se obe redeem sa tokens ni na ye den e de be go account na multi and they requested prediction. And I dey back on say o create account now memo free 6 tokens. And at the same time so every day biano or match of free 4 tokens. Until every day biano o betimi requested 2 matches free. Me give this a video bebo information be open about website we biano video we are providing the amount. Follow take in your Facebook, YouTube subscribe to the channel. Me the videos people from me the videos are here. O gonna have ya dey bia unim. I don't know you know.